So let's get this over. Let's make sure we have our orientation, right? This would be backwards. It needs to go on this way, right? I'm also going to take a cloth, paper towels, so we see all that's lined up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel back one side. We're going to go from right to left. I think I'm going to, since the bottom gets a little more dirty, I'm going to wipe it down quick with the paper towel too. Again, try not to touch the bottom too much. I like getting it a little past the first set of holes and literally putting a crease in this paper. If you don't put the crease, sometimes it flips back on you when you're trying to put it down. Okay, so let's move the laptop down again. I'll try not to get in the way, but we will see. So again, you're lining up the circle and you have screw holes on the bottom. So if you nail those, it should be easy. This side you need to worry a little more about bubbles. The reason being is this side I feel is more curved edges. And because there's more curved edges, there's more bubbles. So I like to get this side. If we nailed all the holes perfect, I like to really rub down this one side and make sure you're rubbing down nicely around the feet, right? Okay, so that's looking good. So now we're just gonna grab, we're gonna go a little bit at a time, and we are gonna pause at every screw hole and make sure we're getting the screw holes lined up.